Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to use Twilio to call. So first, log into your Twilio account with your Gmail example now. In order to call in Twilio, you need just to have a verified number. So, trial users in Twilio can call verified number. So now, head over to Voice, click on Manage, and click on Twiml app. Here, just click on Create New Twiml app. Here, just put your friendly name and the name of the contact you want to call, the request URL, the request method. Just leave it as default here. Here, the messaging confirmation, just add the request URL and request method also for the messaging, and just hit the Create button here to bottom. And that's it, guys. This way you will be able to call a contact. And so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.